Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. How are you doing today? What have you been up to? Leave a comment down below. I'm getting out Old Faithful. That's my yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant, and I'm gonna disinfect my car. So let me just tell you the story. I have a 2010 Nissan Maxima, and I love her. Her name is Maxie. She's my second Maxima. At any rate, Maxie been tripping, y'all. She has broken down about 3 times since the summer, so my family really want me to get a new car. They want me to get off of Nissan's bandwagon because they feel like Nissan has not been loyal to me, and I have always driven the Nissan. So they're basically asking me to cheat on Nissan. That's what they're asking me to do, and they don't realize how emotionally attached I am. Listen, I know it's funny, but I'm so serious. Like, I'm definitely emotionally attached to Nissan, so I've been looking at other cars, and I'm just really not feeling it. I've literally been telling all of them, I'm gonna drive this car until the wheels fall off. Well, you know what? We almost there, okay? So I'm just really having a hard time thinking about parting ways with this Nissan, but eventually I know I'm gonna have to. So if you have any suggestions, leave a comment down below and let me know. Keep in mind, when you buy a Nissan, they give you all the bells and whistles. So I'm really spoiled. And I know that sounds petty, but you know what? It is what it is. At this point, I'm just thankful that she works right now, and hopefully she'll work for another 2 years so I don't have to worry about getting a new car. Look how dirty this water is. The time has come for me to share my skincare routine. This is pretty much my everyday regimen. There are some things that change here and there. I wash my face with Dove. Wash your face with whatever you want to wash your face with, but I wash mine with Dove. And then I use this moisturizing cream. If I'm having some issues with my eyes, I use this Pep Star. I also have a Clinique moisturizer for the eyes, but it's downstairs in my car. The other thing I use for puffy eyes is the All About Eye Puff. Clinique Moisture Surge and the Rose Hip Oil. This is what I start out with. The CeraVe Moisturizing Cream works wonders, okay? As soon as I get out of the shower, I put it on because I allow it to sit on my face. So I've already done this step. All right, so that's gonna sit for a second. Next thing that we will do is use the Puffy Eye Cream. Same thing, you'll wanna just dab. If you have sensitive eyes like me, don't get close to your eyelash. Wait, is that an eyelash? Yeah, don't get close to your eyelash because your eyes will burn. My eyes burn on a daily basis. It's quite annoying, but it's a family thing, so you know. Now they do say that you should always put this on before your actual moisturizer, but honestly, do what you wanna do. I mix mine together. I want you to see how pretty this is. Like, real quick skincare routine because there's nothing special. And mainly, I think you guys were asking because I am in my 40s. So, but there's nothing special that I do. The other thing that I do is drink lots of water. You'll also want to make sure you put this on your neck. You want your neck soft. I put this on my ears as well. But yeah, that's it. So with the rosehip oil, if it's a little bit greasy, don't fret. It will definitely, seep into your skin within like 30 minutes. But beauty can be hard sometimes, right? So just let your skin be like oil, okay? It's okay. It'll look good after it seeps in. That is my skincare routine. Have you ever been in a car wash and it stops? People are stuck. This is my worst nightmare. Now it decided to work.
Know that I'ma ignore you all night. Know that I'ma decline your calls right. But I know that.
Now that the scary car wash is over, we're at the store. I've been craving Mexican, so I decided that I was gonna make some this evening. We're picking up a few ingredients and I'm gonna hook it up, okay? We typically go to Eagle Giant, AKA Giant Eagle, but we decided to cheat on Giant Eagle today and go to K. Roger, AKA Kroger. Last time we spoke about leaving affirmations on your mirror so that once you wake up in the morning, that's the first thing that you see. Please let me know if you have incorporated that into your daily routine. I will say it is very important for you to know your value and your worth and how needed and loved you are. If you don't feel that way, affirmations is a great way to start. It's a great way to start with your healing journey. So I really hope that you take that journey serious. You take this healing journey serious. I hope you really want it and you crave it and you're hungry for it, because by the time you receive it, you're going to want to pass it on to everyone else. I recently bought some new curtains for my daughter's room and they are so wrinkled. I bought them from Amazon. The texture of the curtains are amazing. They're very durable. However, the color is a little off. These are e-cloths, so they clean off any kind of glass, camera, that sort of thing. So it's not a good idea to wash them. They do suggest that you boil them. So I'm just gonna boil these. The other thing is I had a company send me some lights and they were supposed to send me 3, they only sent me 2. So I bought these off of Amazon. They're LED under cabinet lighting.
You have the time of your life.
You have 2 options here. You can either screw them in, which is not something I'm gonna do because I change stuff around too much. Or you can just make sure that you have them lined up and then you just take these little stickers off.
I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters ain't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, 'cause I'm fine on my own.
Definitely when you turn it on, it makes it brighter. I need to fill this up because anytime my family just purchases spaghetti noodles, they never like replace them into here. So I need to make sure that I handle that.
I wanna dance with somebody.
My pantry is definitely not dirty. However, I like to come in here once in a while and just straighten some things up so I don't have to do a whole major clean. That really makes a difference in every single room that I deal with on a daily basis, because I'm gonna be honest with you, I will not spend my entire weekend cleaning my home. I think that is crazy. I'm just not in a place in my life where I can commit that much time on the weekend when I could be like watching Netflix, Hulu, Peacock, you know, Prime, something like that, okay? That was the only thing I was able to declutter, but something is better than nothing. The other thing is, while I was doing all of that, this is finished boiling, so now I can remove that. As you can tell with the state of the water, it was dirty. The last thing that I want to boil are these little hair wraps, I guess you can call them. I bought them off of Amazon because I couldn't find other silk ones that are, you know, that were not necessarily cheaper. So we want to boil those. You're not supposed to wash those either. Moving right along to my living space. Anytime I change something in here, it's a domino effect. So, you know, one thing changes, so does another thing. I don't know about this. I might have to find a different home, but for now, she got to stay here. So here are my curtains. What I've done is I've just kind of laid them here because I need to clean the window off and remove these curtains. I will say that there are still some wrinkles, but just not as defined as they were when I took them out of the package.
Yeah, I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be
Don't speak, there's no need for you talking. Calling the highest sky. I ain't got the urge to leave. Come stay a little while. I've grown tired of wasting.
These are actually blackout curtains. They were supposed to go in my youngest daughter's bedroom, but she wants to make sure that the room is painted first. These are just white. And then here are the old ones. Looks like these are finished. So let's see how dirty this water is. This water is not as bad as the water prior to this. Still dirty nonetheless. This window/mirror contraption cleaner is so dope. I'm gonna try to find the link so that I can link it below in the description box for you. Whatever it takes for you to make cleaning easier, I definitely would suggest doing, especially if you are not the type of person who likes to clean. look how dirty my windows were.
When's this broken lotto? It's just me and the silent.
If you know someone who is looking for some home management inspiration, definitely send them my way. Kim at Home, KYM at Home. I'll also link my IG and TikTok handles below in the description box. That way you can follow me there as well.
New bed. Glory eyes for miles and days. Get off from under.
Let's talk for a moment about power and what that means for you in your life. This world is a pretty cruel place, and I feel like on a daily basis we're sometimes told negative things about ourselves. This is why we say affirmations, because we're taking that power back. Just because one person feels certain things about you doesn't mean it's true, doesn't mean you have to accept it. And one thing that we really should normalize is ridding toxic people from our lives, regardless if they're family, friends, whatever the case may be, they got to go. If they're not rolling the same way that you're rolling on your boat, row your boat, then they gotta go. Having peace of mind is definitely where it's at, and this is exactly how you take back your power. In all of that, though, it is important to be self-aware. So if you're out here being a jerk and someone's telling you that you're being a jerk, check yourself first before you get upset with them. Being self-aware, taking back all of the things that the enemy stole from you, and just going against the norm of society, that's how we all take our power back. Don't try to blend in, stand out. Let me know below in the comments what you plan on doing this year to work on self, take your power back, be your own superstar, and just love and respect yourself. Meanwhile, I'm gonna be over here being your cheerleader, letting you know that you can do it. So my youngest daughter vacuumed the floor for me because there's always somebody in the midst helping me. One thing I will say is I gotta figure this area out. I really just don't like that there. I feel like I should put it somewhere else. That is so clean. I will say I'm not liking these curtains in here because they're blackout curtains, so it makes it look really dark in here even though it's not. So we'll have to figure that out another day as well. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to cook. This is my favorite part of the day. Anytime I know I'm gonna eat, it's definitely my favorite part of the day. I really hope you're enjoying the home management videos, the variety of different things that I like to do around the house, because I am a person who does many things besides cleaning. Now with YouTube, they do like to put you in a box and they want you to stay within your niche, but your girl cannot be placed in a box. I cannot be told, hey, you can't do this, but you can do that. Ask my parents how that was growing up. Not only am I going to do what you told me not to do, but I'm gonna take pictures the entire time. But for real though, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you so much, more than you could ever know, let me tell you. Please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Also show that like button some love and share my channel with someone who you think may enjoy it.
'Cause I really wanna know. You can ride with me forever. Yeah. Anywhere you wanna go. Night is over the park and a few bright stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it now. Let's go for gold. Let's go for gold.
First of all, I wish I had smell-o-vision. Second of all, this was the bomb.
Now we finally found our way. Our love is stronger than anything. We will make our own way. Night is over the park and a few bright stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly.
Thank you again for being here, and don't forget to love on yourself. When you love, appreciate, and respect yourself, it helps you to be a happy person on the inside, which, you can pass that on to somebody else who needs it. Show love to everyone that you come in contact with, and be that light in those dark places.